Can your bat reassure you all the windows are closed? Can the broomstick keep an eye on the family room? Can your dog text you if the front door opens? Scout can. Meet Scout, a new breed of home security.
Scout is a security system designed to be as flexible as you are. It's built to fit your needs and lifestyle.
Scout is simple to set up, contract-free, and easy to expand. So as your needs change, it's right there with you. Scout's app keeps you protected and connected at all times.
You can arm and disarm the system remotely, grant access to your trusted network, and personalize Scout to monitor almost anything in your home.
Scout stays up and running under any condition,
even if the power goes out.
And if you feel safer leaving it to professionals, Pro monitoring is available. Feel more secure on your terms. Scout, a new breed of home security.